Okay. We will first, as the other day we had gone, we will go to dashboard. Let's see in the dashboard what is there. So we'll start with creation of uh, data now. Okay. Okay, so uh, from here I have gone to my engineering data, which is my engineering release app. So if you recollect, those who have not created engineering release app, they can just drag drop it into a new tab like this. Okay. You do along with me, I'll be going very slow. So this is my engineering release app, which will give me access to creation of data. Okay. Now, if I had to create a new data, I can do a 3D part or I can do an engineering item. So what is the difference? So difference is basically engineering item is like CAT product and engineering part is your CAT part. Okay, so you can always go to preferences and say that ask me CAD authoring on creation. I'll show you what it makes. Okay. When I say new engineering item, it will ask me whether I want to create a CATIA product or a 3D experience product. So what is the difference? CATIA product can be edited inside CATIA. A 3D experience product is generally created for CATIA V6 or non-CATIA applications. So the engineering release can actually get 3D data from any of the CAD applications and show. So to get this drop down, what we have to do is from engineering release, I can click on this small menu, click on the preferences, and I can click on ask me CAD authoring creation. Okay. Any doubts? Are you able to follow me? Are you able to do it along with me? You'd like to confirm. Hello, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you are able to follow what you are able to do these things parallelly along with me. I'll wait for a few minutes for you to do these activities.
Atul, are you comfortable with that? Atul?
I'm comfortable, sir.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So now I go to engineering item. I'll create a new CAD product. Okay. And I can give some English title. This is not the name. I can uh, give it as I like to open a bomb so that I give relevant names. So I say this is my Gradle assembly. Now I will create and close this item. Can you all create one assembly part and confirm once you are done? And those who are not able to do it, let me know. We can get onto their screen share and fix their issue. Are you able to do it?
No, sir.
No. Okay. So now in Cradle assembly, I am already in Cradle assembly. Okay. I am going. So there are a lot of plus signs at different places. So don't get confused. Okay. First, I'll create a cat part, and then for both of them, we will get a part number. Okay. I want to create a new 3D part. Secretary part. Okay. Then this is okay. Now, for me to get the part for Cradle assembly, part number, I click on the eye here. I ensure that this is object. I click on the eye here, click on the pencil. I say add extension. Okay. Let me see if I have the Cradle assembly. No, I don't have. See, one thing you will find is you will not find all the extensions what you want. For simple reason is we have not received that information as of now. Okay, so we will be using something which is just for right now for explaining and for you to try. Okay, so we have not received the naming conventions for these. So once we receive, I can use, I'll use cchannel for both of them. Okay. So I've clicked on attachment, and then I can just go and click on new number, and I will get an enterprise number. My file's name and number, everything is changed. Okay. Uh, I can put a description afterwards. Whatever description I had put in was for just for my reference, so I know what I'm creating. Okay. Now I can also go and click on this, and then click on the eye, and again I'll also add cchannel to this as well. Okay. Then we will go and look at different channel. Okay. Rather, I will add something else to this instead of cchannel, because then I will not be otherwise able to show you what are the differences. I'll call this clamp. Okay. And I don't have to click any save or any other button. It is all saved into system. Okay. So for this, once I click this, I'll get a different set of number. Okay. So these are the two parts what I created. I would like you to create parts and get the part number. You may not, as I'm saying, you may not be able to find correct name there, correct grouping there, because we don't have those groupings with us right now. Okay. I'll go through the steps again. I had not started recording. So what I do is I click on the left of my compass, which is the 3D written, and from there I click on CATIA connector. Okay. I'm hoping my CATIA to be launched. And hold on for a few minutes. It takes some time.
Hello.
I'm waiting for my CATIA to get launched. It takes a time, first time. My CATIA is launching now. Neeraj, I think the license server, whatever I had access to, so, Neeraj, can you please ask somebody to release a license for me? Pradeep, if you are using license on VNC, please close kar do usko.
Yeah, sir. Neeraj sir is asking from there to get the license.
Yeah, yeah, okay. I'll show you another way of opening CATIA, launching CATIA. Okay, that will at least will save some time there. And so I keep appearing in between sometimes. So I go and search a part. See, I right now type part because there are only limited number of parts. Okay, and I remember my part, so I can just go and say open with CATIA V file. Search also, I can directly go and open my part. CATIA side, we need to ensure two settings. If I go to tools, options, I need to ensure in my compatibility, my power by is selected. Okay, so this is selected, and so I'll annotate it so it becomes easy for you. No, Hemant, I'm not able to hear you. Sorry. So on CATIA, we have power by selected on this place. Okay, and
Hello.
yes, Hemant, I can hear you now.
Okay.
Hmm.
Um, Asking you.
No, your voice is going very frequently. So let me till the time I'm not able to hear Hemant, I will also highlight two more settings on this 3D Experience tab, platform tab. We are removing this item and putting a folder. Okay. And then yes, I'm able to.
वो जाली जाली वाला नहीं चाहिए, 3 पीस चाहिए।
On the documents, in the documents, we have to mark 3D experience as current, okay, allowed and then current. So ensure that it is current, and then Power BI has to be on top, almost on top. So it is a step below, which is, I think, okay. Fine. So this has to be 3D experience has to be current, and Power BI has to be yes and on top. So check these settings in your CATIA. Okay. Now let's open whatever we have created in CATIA. I'll have to close this CATIA session because I opened it directly. Okay, so okay, I have my part open. I searched it through my search window, and I can just right click, open with CATIA V5. I can click OK, so it will take both the documents, and I can go and design the way I want further. Okay. Now I'll stop today.